In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an insurance policy with Progressive if you need to end your coverage. The process is usually straightforward, but it's important to go carefully so you don't miss any required confirmation steps. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to start the cancellation request from your Progressive account and what to look out for along the way. First, go to the Progressive website and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the correct login so you can access the policy you want to cancel. Once you're signed in, take a moment to confirm that you're viewing the right account, especially if you have more than one policy connected to your profile. Next, navigate to your policy details. This is where you'll usually find the key information related to your current coverage, including billing, renewal dates, and account actions. Look through this section carefully because the cancellation option, if available online, is typically located somewhere within the policy management area. From there, look for an option labeled Cancel Policy or Request Cancellation. The wording may vary slightly depending on the type of policy you have or how Progressive displays options in your account. If you see one of these choices, select it to begin the cancellation process. If you don't see it right away, check the Policy Tools or Account Options section before moving on. After that, choose your desired cancellation date. This part matters because the date you select determines when your coverage ends. Be sure to review it carefully so you don't accidentally cancel too early or leave yourself without insurance when you still need it. If you're switching to another provider, it's a good idea to make sure your new policy is active before your current one ends. Finally, submit the cancellation request and follow any additional instructions shown on the screen. In some cases, Progressive may ask you to confirm the cancellation by phone or through an agent before the request is finalized. If that happens, complete that extra step promptly so there's no delay in processing your cancellation. Before you leave the page, it's also a smart idea to save any confirmation message or reference details you receive for your records. That way, you have proof of the request in case you need it later. And that's how to cancel an insurance policy with Progressive.